So this is question I posted the answers. Okay, so this question came in 2024, 2 years before. GCE question that came in 2024, GCE question 14. So this question reads, in the diagram PQRS are points with the center O, and PQR we are given 68 degrees, and TRU is the tangent at R. So this PQRS are points in the circle with the center O. So this PQRS is pointing on the circle. Have you seen it? So it's pointing on the circle with the center O here, center O, and the PQR is 68 degrees. So this 68 degrees angle we are given, we have already given from the question. And the TRU is a tangent. So this line is holding the circle here. This line here is a tangent line. So here to the question, find PQR. So to know the angle we are looking for, this arrow here is showing the angle that we are looking for. So here we are finding the angle POR. So to find the angle, we are starting the direction from the first letter, so which is POR. So we're starting to check it from the direction to know the angle POR. You see, so which means we want to, the angle we are looking for is this angle. You see, then when we are solving this question, this question coming from the topic cycle theorem. So cycle theorem it has own properties. So when you know the properties, it will be easy for everyone to understand the topic and to know the answer. So in shortly, I will discuss, or I will tell you about the properties that we are using to find the angles when we are dealing with the cycle theorem. So the first properties is any angle during with straight line is added up to 180 degrees. So any angle that is dealing with straight line, just know that is add up to 180. Okay, so like here, so when I form the straight line, then I form the angle. So any angle I form, just know that is add up to 180. Like here, this is triangle. You see, so this triangle, because this triangle is in a straight line, so just know that any angle that is given, when you are given the angle here, any angle that you are given inside or one side, just know that all this triangle, when you add up to 180. So to find, when you are given here this angle by this angle by this angle, it gives us 180. So when you are given one side, you are given the angle, for you to find other angle. So this angle you are given, you subtract from 180, then the answer you find, you divide itself by 2 to find this angle. Okay, so this is property number 2. Then property number 3. So what I'm talking about here, like this angle formed here, this is this angle, this is isosceles triangle, you see. So this angle and this angle, it will be equal, because this chord is cutting the circle. So this circle, this line, it is dividing the circle. Okay, thereafter we go to third properties. So this angle formed here, you see this angle formed here, this angle formed here is quadratic, is the quadrilateral angle. So always quadrilateral angle is add up to 360 degrees. So this, when you add this angle by this angle by this angle by this angle, it will add up to 360 degrees. Okay, so this is a circle. This is a circle. So this circle, I draw the quadrilateral. I draw the quadrilateral angles so that you do understand what I'm talking about. Yes, so don't mind about my drawing, just get the concept so that you do understand this topic. As I have drawn this topic, this quadrilateral, so this is quadrilateral, this is quadrilateral that I'm drawing here. So quadrilateral is add up to 360 degrees. So which means that since this is quadrilateral here, so when we put the chord here, so which means this chord is divided the circle. So this angle, it will be same with this angle. Okay, so when the two angles are equal, is called as isosceles triangle. So to find this angle, when you are given this angle, if here you're given 20 degrees, so to find this angle, we need to know that since this angle is add up to 180, because it's straight line. So we just know that isosceles triangle, always two angles are equal. So this angle and this angle, it will be equal. So how to find this angle and this angle? We shall add this angle, we shall subtract. We would say, like we want to find this angle and this angle, so we would say, because here you don't know the angle, we put x, and here you don't know the angle, we put x. So we would say x plus x is cos 180 plus 180. Sorry. So we would say this angle we are not given and this angle we are not given. So we would say x plus x, because we don't given, plus 180 equals the angle we are given, so which is 60. For example, 20 degrees, we put 20 degrees here. Then we would say x plus x to give 2x. Then we do like terms, plus 180 equals 20, that here I'm just putting here on top to say. Then we find the angle here, because the angle here should be the same. So we find that 2x equals 180 minus 20. So 2x is cos 180 minus 20. So 2x it will be, so here 20, which is 60, 160. So 2 here. So 160 divided by 2, which would to be 100, and so it will be 0, 3, sorry, 2, 120.